Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we are going to show you how to critter-proof your spa with the 72775 intake vent screen. This aluminum perforated strip mounts at the bottom of the equipment access door to keep rodents and other critters from making their home in the warmth of your spa's equipment compartment. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: metal shears, Phillips head screwdriver. Parts you will need: 72775 intake vent screen and screws. Step 1. Remove the equipment compartment door. Step 2. Measure and mark the area of the screen to be cut. Step 3. Cut the least amount of screen as possible to get the tightest fit you can around the incoming power conduit. Make sure the screen is flush with the equipment door frame. Step 4. Secure the screen to the wooden door frame with several short wood screws. Make sure the screen is flush with the equipment door frame on both sides. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.